Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in Canada based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is XTB. XTB shines with a great selection of CFDs on stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and indices. Free and fast account opening keeps things simple, plus there's a wide range of funding methods, perfect for the modern trader looking for efficiency. Our runner-up at number 2 is Moomoo. Moomoo shines with commission-free stock and ETF trading, making investing affordable. Account setup is lightning fast and hassle-free. Enjoy top-notch analytical tools and stellar education services. Perfect for modern investors seeking quality and ease. And now for our number 1 pick, the best broker for beginners in Canada is Webull. Webull stands out with free stock and ETF trading, making it a go-to choice for young investors. The broker offers high interest on uninvested cash, keeping your money active. With fast and easy account opening, it's perfect for diving into trading effortlessly. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.